Welcome to Serbia and good morning from Belgrade. I'm currently staying in the Zemun neighborhood and there's no running water at the moment in this part of the city. So we'll have to figure that out later on. But for now, let's go and explore Belgrade. It's the capital of the country. There are many exciting things to see and I can't wait to get out there. So let's get started right away. I'm staying in the Zemun neighborhood. It's a great place to visit, one for the Gardos tower, but also for the views you get across the city, and you can also see the Danube river. It's really nice. I've made my way over to the fortress of Belgrade. Centuries ago, people lived inside these city walls, and that was basically the city of Belgrade. It was founded by a Celtic tribe, and then the fortification was built up by the Romans. So let's go have a look inside. It's free to enter. Exploring the fortress, I have come to Skadarlija. No idea if I said that right, but this is pretty much the artist neighborhood. You can find some cool wall decorations, graffitis here, and it's also the perfect place to get a coffee after lunch. Surprised by this city. Didn't expect that there were as many things to see, and originally I didn't even plan on coming to Serbia. I didn't think that I'd have the time for it, but I'm very glad it has worked out and I'm definitely enjoying my day today. The last stop of our tour today is the St Sava church. In my opinion, the most impressive sight you can see here in Belgrade. It is the biggest Orthodox church in the Balkans and the second biggest Orthodox church in the world. It's very impressive. Also inside, it really is the highlight of the city. And that wraps up my day in Belgrade, a very enjoyable city. If you haven't already, we already experienced so much on this trip. We've been to Ukraine, Moldova and also Romania, so check out the other videos. Thank you very much for watching today and I'll see you in the next one.